spritz that beautiful body, smell festively floral, feel instantly refreshed. Happy summers! Hello everyone, this is Khushbu Turakya and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. Today I'll be doing unboxing video from The Body Shop. I'm going to be reviewing the Jolly and Juicy Strawberry Big gift set from The Body Shop. I gifted this to myself on this International Women's Day 2022. Please do check out my previous video. I will mention the link in the description space below. If you have been following me, you know how much I love this brand and how much I've talked about this brand in my earlier videos. Let's unbox this gift box. You don't necessarily have to undo the bow. They have this small elastic down the back, so it's quite reusable. So before we move on to review section, here is a kind request. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also click on that little bell icon next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time that I upload a brand new video. Thank you. So the gift box obviously consists of the strawberry body butter. It cost for about Rs 1395 for 200 ml of quantity if purchased individually. This box also consists of the strawberry shower gel. It cost for about Rs 345 for 250 ml of quantity. This box also consists of the strawberry body mist. It cost for about Rs 845 for 100 ml of quantity if purchased individually. This box also includes the strawberry soap bar, which cost for Rs 245 for 100 gram of quantity. It also consists of the strawberry hand cream, which cost for about Rs 395 for 30 ml of quantity. Last but not the least, it consists of this loofah. It cost for about Rs 245. Now here comes the best part. Let's look at the packaging of this cute little box. It is nice, thick and sturdy. It's a really beautiful color on the outside of the box with this Christmas design. Love the graphics as well. It's pretty cool. I really love how their little gift sets are packed. You can reuse this box by storing perfumes using this tray, or store your jewelries or accessories, etc. The price for this gift set is Rs 4195, but I got this in a discounted deal which is about Rs 3150 rupees. Yes, it comes little bit on expensive side, but the products are worth trying it. It is the perfect gift for treating yourself or someone special. Let us start reviewing the products from this gift box. So starting off with the strawberry body butter. Now comes in a recyclable packaging made with an aluminum lid on the top and 100% recycled plastic tub. That is the texture inside the body butter. It is white in color. Texture is thicker and does not move easily. It tends to sink in the skin very quickly. It leaves skin feeling softer, smoother and nourished with 96-hour moisture as it claims. It is non-sticky, non-greasy. it has improved smell. As you can see, there has been a little bit of a packaging facelift as compared to the old one. Individual review coming soon. It is the brand new version of the vegan body butter. It's made with 95% ingredients of natural origin. Next up is the hand cream. I am completely obsessed with this product. Perfect for on-the-go hydration. Just squeeze, smooth on, and rub those hands together whenever palms and pinkies need a little pick-me-up. The scent is so lovely, nice, and is like quite sweet. I have reviewed this product individually earlier on my channel and will mention the link below. Please do check it out. Always try to apply this product during night time, as during day we tend to eat and wash off hands multiple times. So yeah, this way it will help to soften and protect hands and will stay moisturized entire night as it will be untouched. Next in the set is the strawberry body mist, good for summer season now. This is new product for me and I'll be trying it for the first time. I'm excited to use this one. Nice packaging, it comes in a bottle and opens up quickly, it sprays easily and smells amazing. Just spritz over your body, it leaves you feeling instantly refreshed and smelling as sweet as strawberry. I kind of love this product. I am crazy about perfumes, fragrances and body mists. Now with the soap-free strawberry shower gel, it's perfect to nourish and envelop your skin in softness. I have reviewed this product individually earlier on my channel. I'll mention the link below. Please do check it out. I have used this product multiple times. The smell is absolutely divine. Packaging is cute, lightweight, and it opens up very easily. So even applying without a water, it lathers so smoothly. It leaves your hands and bodies feeling squeaky clean. Next is the strawberry soap bar with strawberry juice in it. Pretty interesting. Excited to use it and will share the review later. This comes on an expensive side if purchased individually. Last but not the least, beach colored Rainbow Bed Lily Loofah is made with durable, sustainable, eco-friendly fibers that help soften and scrub skin with minimal environmental impact as it claims. So overall, this gift set is perfect for summer season. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please be sure to click the like button and let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see on my channel next. Thank you all so very much for watching this video. Until next time, bye, take care and be safe. Peace. Happy summers once again.